The Truth, Justice and Reconciliation Commission today opened up a sensitive chapter in Kenya's history, one of criminal gangs and extrajudicial killings. Called to the Commission's witness stand was Hassan Omar, the former vice chairperson of the Kenya National Human Rights Commission. Omar in 2008 released a damning report about police brutality and extrajudicial killings. The report claimed that more than 3,000 youth were missing or either killed by police between mid-2007 to mid-2008.
The state cannot allow itself to a point of desperation where it legitimizes its own crimes.
Criminal gangs have proved to be difficult to control, mainly because of the fact that most gangs are formed for political purposes and thrive when political temperatures are high. These groups include the Sungu Sungu, Mungiki and the Mombasa Republican Council.
They kill at will, they extort, they intimidate, they torture, and yet the provincial administration or the police hardly do anything to bring to justice the perpetrators of these crimes.
And when political temperatures cool, the gangs engage in other criminal activities. And it is this time that cases of extrajudicial killings and torture increase.
The Kenya police does not work for the people of Kenya. In many respects, they work for the regime. And that's why we have tried to shift the paradigm within the constitution.
Omar says that since the police are not impartial when dealing with criminal gangs, there is a need for a judicial inquiry with powers to prosecute, so that both gang members, trigger-happy police and the political elite who finance these gangs are all brought to book. Catherine Omwando, KTN Prime.